Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A vane sump pump battery backup is designed to provide protection when primary power is unavailable, but continuous beeping can make it difficult to know whether the system is operating normally or trying to signal a problem. In many cases, the alert is related to battery condition, charging status, wiring connections, or a maintenance reminder rather than a major failure. Taking a few moments to inspect the system can often help identify the source of the beeping and restore normal operation. In this video, we'll go through several simple checks that may help stop a vane sump pump battery backup from beeping. Try these. Step 1. Check the battery on the vane sump pump battery backup. Step 2. Inspect charging connections on the vane sump pump battery backup. Step 3. Review indicator lights on the vane sump pump battery backup. Step 4. Verify power reaches the vane sump pump battery backup. Step 5. Reset the vane sump pump battery backup. Step 6. Confirm the vane sump pump battery backup stops beeping.